Alright. Right. So, welcome to my first ever video. I am the Chill Reaper. And this is Natural Disaster Survival. I'm here with a friend of mine named Mr. Fat. He has his own YouTube channel. He doesn't know I'm starting. Oh gosh. Well, you need to check out his channel. It's called Volcano Unicorn. I already started. He's gonna be mad when he found out that I already started, but whatever. So, these people are dying. This is why I love natural disaster. Go GG for people in tower. Oh, I thought he said gotta go for people in tower. Oh, yeah, there he is, Junkbot. Because of the flamingo thingy. But anyway, you need to check out his channel. But please stay on my channel, please. And you're probably out there thinking, well, you have such a high-pitched voice, you must be a child. And I say, if you're gonna watch Ryan from Ryan's World, the least you can do is watch me, Chill Reaper from Chill Reaper, whatever. Alright, this is my, I haven't actually shown my character yet, but this is it. It's really skinny, unlike me in real life. I wanted it to model something I'm not. So we got my mullet, we got my... You gotta be kidding me! Let me just, No. He wants to do something with me. He wants to, Skype me. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't want him to. That just causes too much trouble. But yeah, this is me. Rainbow Hoodie. Bacon Buddy. Gee, that's more disappointed. Gosh. Alright, Raving Raceway? That sounds really weird. Raving Raceway. I don't know, that just sounds weird. Alright. I forgot to mention, I'm also new to PC. I've always played on mobile. Like, I've played Roblox before, but I'm always on mobile. So, I'll be a little bad at this at first. I'll get better. I suck at this already. This is bad. This is just bad. So, I'm gonna climb up this, okay. Sorry, guys. I'm new to PC. I literally just said that. Oh, gosh. Acid brain. Well, that wouldn't really helped me that much, so my recording app is not working. Oh, well, that's, gosh, so awkward. Famous last words. And sub to my YT Volcano Unicorn. I already said that. Well, he's leaving me. That's sad. He was my friend. But anyway, yeah. You should almost definitely sub to him. I'm in one video. I actually do a video on his channel. Like, just me. It's great, right? Oh yeah, this is my bacon buddy. His name is Tom. He's really squished right now. Like, he's super skinny. He isn't supposed to be that skinny. Ah! Oh, what happened? Okay. So I guess I'm just gonna stay right here, because... Oh. I'm with, well... I was gonna say I'm with a cute girl, but I can't really say that. She has such a weird looking face. That sounded, wow, just, wow. Oh gosh, I love Roblox. You can meet so many cool people here. Like, there's this girl. Oh, sorry, let me just... This girl, Starwing Me Cat, whatever her name is. She probably just got into Roblox and has no idea what she's doing. This cowgirl over here, she probably thinks, oh, I'm super cute right now, yay! Then there's this guy, Taco Ninja Kid, who may look like a noob, but he's been playing Roblox for like 15 years, no, not 20 years. It hasn't even been around for 20 years, but he's been playing for 20 years. That's how skilled he is. Here's a tip. Reset every now and then. Oh, well, it's a little too late to do that now, but when you go to the lobby and you have damage like I do, you should probably reset, because it doesn't count as like a death. Like, you still technically won. But the thing is, it would, make sure that on the next game you have full health. It took me forever to find that out. I played this game all the time. I just subbed to that channel. What? No. sub to my channel. Sub to my channel. The Chill Reaper. I spelled that right. I actually did it right. Yay! Alright. Tsunami, get to higher ground. Oh gosh. Dude, Tsunami sucks because whenever you get to higher ground, you're gonna die. It's like, if you get to high ground, you die too. Oh gosh, no! Well, I died. This game sucks. I don't like this game anymore. Let's go over here. How long have I been recording? 5 minutes? Wow. I have at least 10 minutes left. This video is probably gonna be really short, because, well, I don't really have any need to make it long. Why is my mouse suddenly really big and then, I don't know. Hello, Taco Ninja Kid, please give me your wisdom. Well, you witnessed the bad death today. Felipe K.A. Wow, it's people like you who make Roblox worth going on. Thank you. Well, how are people still alive? Wouldn't they all be decimated? They should all be decimated and destroyed. Let me just... Oh. Alright, sorry guys, I had to do something real quick. Oh gosh. Okay. Wait, what is this thing? What? Out mode? What? What is this thing? What? Was that a face, or was that just our overlord? What was that thing? Oh gosh, we did it. I think she's saying that I can't tell if they're saying like we did it, we won, or if they're going like we did it, we subbed. Whatever you did, I'm proud of you. Whether it's subbing or winning, although I'd be even more proud if you actually subbed to me. I'm planning to get probably 2 subscribers. And most of them, and all those people I shall know, because I know 2 people. Totally. Alright. I don't know how to make my camera go down. I don't even know if you can... I don't have a mouse yet. I might ask for a mouse. But if I get a mouse, I'll be able to look down. But now I can't. So. If I can, I don't know how. So. Meteor shower. Watch the skies and find shelter. Well, this couldn't have been the worst. Oh, gosh! Someone pushed me off. And now I'm almost dead. The person who pushed me off, because it's totally not like... It was totally not me. Just me being dumb. Totally not. Oh, hey, I fit in here now. Wow. Isn't this a gorgeous sight? I don't know how to go into first person either. I don't know how to do anything. I'll find out. But I recorded this today. I got this PC. So, of course, I suck at it. Alright, I can only do about 7 minutes left. So after this round, maybe one more round. Nah. After this round, I shall stop recording. And I will tell my final goodbyes. And I will tell everybody that I love you. Because I love you all. Oh. Well. This is nice. You know, this isn't that bad. I mean, I see a lot of beautiful faces. Wee! It seems like a movie shot. Wow. This is, oh, well. It hit directly on it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Please comment what you think I can do better on this. Unless I turn the comments off. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, yeah. Just please comment what I can do better. Because I want to be a good YouTuber. I want to be good. Also, please like and subscribe. I need that. I need recognition to the public. Please. Alright, anyway. Ladies, gentlemen, and whoever watches this video after this goes, Alright, I bid you all farewell.